Good morning, everyone. Mike Lovelace with Lovey's Fat Life. And this morning we're going to get up and do what I'm seeing on TikTok was a big hit at the Masters this year, but it's a Masters breakfast sandwich. Pretty simple, some eggs, cheese, sausage, bacon on a Brioche bun. And we're going to do it here on our Blackstone griddle, the 36-inch. And you fry this up, wrap it in aluminum foil, let it sit for 20 minutes, and then try it out. We got it right back there. Getting ready to fire this thing up, do it and see how it turns out. So hang out with us and let's see how this easy one turns out.
All right, ingredients is sausage, bacon, eggs, and cheese. You're gonna make sausage balls that you're gonna smash on the griddle. Cut your bacon in half, 3 eggs, cheese, and you also need some Brioche buns. All right, this first part is just frying up your bacon. That's pretty simple. We cut it in half. This is a 36-inch, so I only had the 2 left burners on about medium heat. The 2 on the right were cut off. And when we cook everything on the left side, we just move it over to the right side to keep it warm. And so yeah, we just cut this bacon in half and cook it up right here. And then we use the press to get it nice and crispy. And that's it. Pretty simple. All right, just like the bacon, I like to use the press on the sausage as well. We're going to put a nice crust on both sides of this, just like you're doing a smash burger. Flip these things over right here. You see it already has a nice crust on one side. Again, I like using that press, putting them close to each other, and then putting the press on each one of them, and then sliding them really close together and putting that press in the middle so that it holds all 4 of them down. All right, these things are finished cooking up. It's time to add some cheese to it and then slide them over here to the right side. That's the warm side. Remember, we're only using the 2 left sides is on medium heat. The 2 right burners are off, but that side is staying warm because of the heat transferring over to the right side of the griddle. All right, so I bought these Blackstone rings, to be able to put things in like eggs and stuff, and I never thought they worked. And this is the first time, actually second time trying them out. The first time I tried macaroni and cheese in them, and they didn't work so great. But this time I used them with the eggs, and they worked pretty well. I was impressed with them. So I guess the key is keeping, the griddle was nice and warm and hot. So whenever I dumped these eggs in here, cracked them open, put them in here, it held them in for the most part. So I was impressed with these molds, and I will definitely use these again. I thought it did a really good job. So you put them in here, bust open the yolk, and then you turn around and put some salt and pepper on these as well. And then we're getting ready to flip these things over. All right, now we got our Brioche buns. My wife brought these out to us, and instead of butter, we put mayonnaise on them. You can use that. You know, I don't know if people realize that or not, but mayo is just the same as oil. But so we put mayo on them and toasted these things on both sides. These things are awesome. All right, now it's time to build this breakfast sandwich, which is one of, if not my favorite breakfast sandwich now. So we put that sausage patty that's smashed down. It's got that awesome crust on it with cheese on the bottom. Then we put 3 or 4 slices of bacon that's been cut in half and nice and crispy on top of that. Then we put that egg with salt and pepper on top. Then we put this brioche bun that's been buttered, or you can put mayo on it, whatever you want to, on top of that. And this is that beautiful piece of breakfast heaven that is just absolutely to die for. You turn around then and wrap this in aluminum foil. On the Masters, on the TikTok version I saw, they said keep it wrapped for 20 minutes. We kept it wrapped between 10 and 15 minutes, and it turns out absolutely awesome. We're getting ready to show you that as we taste it right here in a second.
All right, so we're going to try out this master sandwich. It is bacon, egg, cheese, it's sausage, smashed sausage. Oh, higher, I don't want. All right, let's try it out. That's killer. That sausage has got that crust on the outside of it from the smash. And McDonald's, you need to take point. You need to learn from this, McDonald's. This is really good. Man. Should I say a prayer? We would definitely be doing this again. Try this on your griddle, your Blackstone, or whatever you have. Look at that. That deliciousness. Wow. Lovey's Fat Life, the Fast Tense for Food and Travel. Smoking meat, griddling meat, traveling, cruising, going to the Smoky Mountains. Please like and subscribe if you like what we're doing. Have a blessed day.